let's start. First, close your legs and turn towards your left. And now, open your right leg and fold your hands. Just right leg open, left leg close, right leg open, and left leg same close towards right. And from here, just left shoulder back. 1, 2. Twice. From here, just wave your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, just tap your right leg up. Then hands open. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, right leg and left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, open your right leg. Just 1, clap. Left leg. 2, clap. From here, just roll your hands. 1, 2. Okay, from here, 3, 4. From here, no, no, no. 3 times. From here, just 1, swag. 2, right leg forward, close. Left leg forward, close. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's start.